Where's the camera? Okay. Hi everyone, this is Anika aka Katberrypotato. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If not, I hope that this video brings a little bit of smile to your faces. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Today I thought, why don't I create pink look? A really baddie pink kind of look. It's super simple. I used only one palette to do almost the entire face, and the palette is, actually, you know what? You'll get to know as you watch the video. I shouldn't ruin it for you guys right now. It's super simple and it's perfect. You can wear it with gloss like me, and if you just want to wear it as is, it will look amazing. Let me just show you guys. So here's the look without glasses, and it looks so amazing. It's super simple. You don't really need to know how to do the eyeliner or anything to get this look done. Super simple, super pink, and it's amazing because it's pink. So if you are interested in watching this video and learn how I got this look, keep watching, and yep, I'll see you at the end of the video. Bye! Hi, I've already applied moisturizer and SPF, and the first thing I'm going to do is apply a silicone based primer, and right now I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, and I'm only applying it around my T-zone where I have a bit of enlarged pores. So as you can see, I'm taking really small amount and massaging it properly, and then I use the NYX concealer in the shade orange. This is to color correct, so I'm applying a really small amount in the areas where I have darkness and then blending it properly. For foundation today, I'll be using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Cashew, and yes, it does look light on my skin because my face and my neck is 2-3 shades darker than the rest of my body, so I usually shade match with my chest rather than my face and or neck. And so after applying the foundation, you will see that my face will match my body. Always drag the foundation down to your neck and blend it well. It will make your entire base look very flawless. After that, I'll be using the Revelation concealer in the shade C10, and I had some leftover foundation, so what I did was I took some of the concealer and I mixed it with the foundation so that it will look more even. And as you can see, it really looks like I've applied a lighter shade of the foundation rather than the concealer, which I think was really good. To get rid of the current moon face situation, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and again I'm applying that product onto my hand first and mixing it with the leftover foundation and concealer just now, and then blending it to get a much lighter color which my face requires at the moment for bronzing purposes, and then slowly bronzing around the areas, basically my cheek and the perimeters of my face. And yeah, now I'm going to lightly set my T-zone and under eye before it starts creasing, and to do that I'm using the Beauty Bakery's Flour Powder setting powder, and I took a really small amount of powder and really pressing it onto my T-zone and my eyelid and my forehead, also my nose. Yeah, I mean basically the T-zone. Now to set the bronzer, I'm using the Dolce Luxury palette from Wet n Wild and taking the darker shade and going over the areas I have cream bronzed earlier. And again, I'm taking really small amount of product because this particular palette is really pigmented, so you shouldn't go heavy-handed. So I'm finally revealing the palette that I'll be using today, and it is the Strawberryshake from Colourpop. It has such an amazing array of pink shades. I absolutely love it. I'm using the shade My Milkshake and Oak and mixing that together and sort of creating like an eyeliner kind of effect, as you can see. And I'm slowly building up that color, and I'm really arching it, so pulling it out of like basically where I will have my eyeliner winged part. So I'm slowly pulling the color. And what I do is, initially when I am putting the color on my eyelid, I tend to press the color rather than going in a circular motion. I feel like that helps more. And now I'm taking a clean brush basically, and then slowly winging it out so it looks more aired and airbrushed. Now I'm using the shade Take a Sip. It is a really bright bubblegum pink shade, and I'm stamping the color into the outer corner of my eye and slowly bringing it outward and inward really slowly. And I'm using a small amount of product at a time. This is extremely pigmented, so I'm really trying to be careful. Then I'll take a flat clean brush and winging it out at the same direction as earlier, and this will give a more of a, you know, that airbrushed wing again. So yeah, now I'm taking Take a Sip and Oak again. So this, what it does is that it kind of lightens the pink shade, and I'm slowly winging it down so it doesn't look crazy, but it's just good enough. Using a flat brush, I'm taking Take a Sip again, and this time I'm stamping the color really close to my lash line. So this is creating like that pink eyeliner kind of effect. Now I'm applying a little bit of Delish and Whipped on my eyelid, and I'm using a really flat brush which is fluffy at the same time, so it's not going to pack a lot of product. I want to keep this look as simple as possible. And at the same time, I used the shade Whipped at the inner corner of my eye, so it gives that champagne-y pinky glow. Now to bring the whole look together, which is not complete yet, I'm using the shade Shake It Up and blending the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to create a half winged liner, and this is not going to be very winged, it's just going to be a normal eyeliner thingy, as you can see. To do this, I'm using one of my favorite eyeliner from Rimmel London, and after that I'm using Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara and just applying it on my bottom and top lashes as usual. For my lips, I'm using two lipsticks. The first one is Bumble from Colourpop, and right after that on top I'll be applying a little bit of Rimmel London's lipstick in the shade 610 High Flyer. Today I'm using the eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the shade Woke and applying it on my cheek, at the bridge of my nose, at my chin, and yeah, I think it's a really cohesive color. And for my highlighter, again I'm using both of the shimmer shades from the palette, Delish and Whipped mixed together, and applying it at the highest points of my face, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and a little bit of my chin, and at my brow bone. And we're kind of done with the look. You can apply any setting spray you want. I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter, and yep, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed. If not, that'll be awkward. I mean, you definitely did enjoy, right? Because you came all the way to this part of the video. So you must have enjoyed. Yeah, I think. I hope you guys had fun watching my video. If you guys like this kind of content, Do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. That really encourages me to make more content. And do comment down below on all the things that I can improve on and what kind of videos that you want to see next. Well, I guess without further ado, I need to stop saying that. Well, I guess that's it for today. Bye! Thank you!